y'all, it's your favorite girl boss. So I'm gonna come and give y'all some more gems to get those negative items removed. If I had negative credit, the first thing that I would do is opt out of all of the secondary bureaus. Those are the snitches. Those are the people that are just reporting all of the negative and positive information that you have out here. Secondly, y'all have seen it. It was over 3 million people's information that was exposed in a data breach. So that's all the leverage you need right there. You are exposed in a data breach to start getting those items removed. That's the second thing. Thirdly, I would join the credit comeback community because sometimes you start off strong, but you do need that accountability partner. You do need that reassurance, and that's what I'm here for. See, that's over on the school platform and the credit comeback community because we are literally just holding you accountable. We're doing weekly Q&As, bi-weekly classes, and just giving y'all the tips, the gems, the sauce, everything that you need to remove those negative items away from your credit report. Like this video, save this video, and share it with someone who needs to get those negative items removed.